No matter if you have an air-cooled or a water-cooled PC, we all deal with the same problem: dust. It can be frustrating, especially when it gets bad enough to affect your performance. There are many ways to clean this dust, but since the dawn of mainstream PCs, we've seen people use compressed air. But inside these compressed air cans, you just don't find air, but actually, if you can hear this, there's a liquid inside. Inside these cans are actually gases compressed into liquids. These liquid gas mixtures are called fluorocarbons. A common one used in cans today is difluorothane, if I said that right. You can use these cans to clear dust in your radiators or fans, but just be careful. It's best to hold your fan still as you use this compressed air can. Also, make sure not to blow dust into your PC, but removing the filter and blowing the dust into a bag is a good alternative. A better alternative is to use an electric duster. It just uses a fan and a nozzle rather than compressed gases. Don't try this at home. What I'm about to show you can be harmful to you and your PC. This is only for educational purposes. This is commonly known as a can of compressed air. However, it does not contain air inside, but gaseous liquids such as fluorocarbons. When used correctly, this compressed air cans are fine to remove dust from your electronics. However, the bottle clearly states not to tilt, because this could happen. The compressed gaseous liquids inside the bottle can be propelled out the nozzle if turned upside down. It's extremely cold and can cause frostbite if you're not careful. Ouch. It can be possibly harmful to your PC components as well. Remember, if used appropriately, it's not an issue. It's when you tilt it that it becomes dangerous. Also, you can just try using an electric duster to clean your PC instead.